Michael, the creator of Ptable, here to walk you through Ptable's new layout. It's now installable for offline use, whether you're on mobile or desktop. Just click the plus on desktop or add to home screen on your phone. Everything but Wikipedia write-ups work offline. Speaking of Wikipedia, if you like for clicks to go there, that's now under the write-up property, or just click the underlined text in any of the other views. You've also got the choice of dark mode and sidebar, top bar, or no extras at all. Everything resizes to fit your screen too. Slide the slider to see state changes. The colors flash to let you know what's changed, and then the symbols stay that color. If you want them always on, use State At. Click Temperature to reset. You've got the usual visualizations, colored in proportion to their value. I'm using the keyboard since everything is keyboard accessible. Electrons has more of the same, starting with oxidation states. Whatever property you click takes the place of atomic weight. Orbitals are now fully rendered in 3D. Click to stop them spinning, or drag to restart. Isotopes have half a dozen more properties. Drag them around if they're not in a great position. I like to move them up to see all the values. Search works anywhere, even with isotopes, and can accept ranges, names, atomic numbers, and find nearest property values. Compounds mix by dragging, or on mobile clicking. The numbers show how many compounds you'll get if you add that element to the mixture. Blank elements don't form compounds with your existing atoms. Print from any view, or try out the updated SVG image. We've also got lesson plans and a homework help community. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new layout and features.